I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Taylor from Taylor's Muse, and today we'll be trying out these Boho braids that have been trending on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. I had to hop on this trend because they're so cute and I cannot sit for 12 hours to get my hair done ever again. To get braids done ever again, so I have to try these out myself. I used to wear plaits and braids all the time when I was younger, so I am very excited the natural hair community to just be embracing their natural hair. I mean, knotless braids are very gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but to do it on your own hair, there's nothing like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Before we even start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's get started. Yeah, I hope it comes out right because I haven't tried this style. I don't even know if my little heat damaged hair will hold up, you know. This is my natural curl pattern with no products in it, so we'll see if it'll curl the way that these girlies are curling their coils. The products that I'm using today are the Doux Most Def. I love this mousse. It holds my curls, and I literally did a wash and go, and my wash and go lasted a whole week, so I will be raving about this product. I'll link it down below. Amazon has it, and also Target, so make sure you pick yourself up with one. It's called the Doux, and I love this product. It's also black and female owned, so support your girl. I'm also using Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. This is for my curls, just to coil them after I do the braid. And of course I have to hydrate my scalp with some oil, so this is Doux Gro Stimulating Oil, and yes, these are the three products I'll be using. Of course, a scrunchie, a brush, and a comb to part, and I have some edge booster, but that's okay, a little hot potato there. That's what we have for our edges. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's get started. I just washed my hair and I let it air dry. First step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and part out my hair because that's going to be the hardest. I can't really see the back of my head, so I won't be too harsh on myself on the parts in the back. However, the parts in the front, I do want them to look nice, so I'm just going to go ahead and part out my hair. The easiest way for me to part my hair, I split it in the middle, right? This part is going to go in the scrunchie, the back part just like this, just to section it off. And then I kind of have a natural middle part. You see the line, but I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it up. And if you see me looking past my camera, that is because my mirror is behind my camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up this part. Right, and I'm not striving for perfection here. I'm not a hairstylist. I just know how to do my hair. I used to do my hair, y'all. I used to do my hair faithfully every 2 weeks. Like in high school, I was not playing. I used to do this hair. This hair was always laid, fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Y'all mama say that? Fried, dyed, laid to the side. Yes, that was me. I was flat ironing my hair every 2 weeks. I was doing all of the things. I would try. Ooh, I was doing barley twist back then. No, I was doing it all. Okay, so again, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and part out my sections. I'm gonna start over here on the side. That's one part, one section, another section here, and then I'm just going to braid them. I did the same thing in the perm rod tutorial. It just makes your life easier when your sections are already sectioned off. So
my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
But here's a section here. Here's a section here. That part don't look the straightest. I'm about to straighten that out. That looks better. So here's a section here. Here's another section here. And then I have these two sections already braided up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist these together. Y'all trust and believe, if my mama was home, I'd be like, Mom, can you part my hair for me? So I don't have to worry about it, but this is how you can easily part your hair on your own if you don't have anybody to help you. Okay, and I'm gonna take this back and do the same thing. Make my parts as straight as I can get it. I just following the template in the front. So this hair in the back towards this side, in which I haven't parted through yet. You see how this part is right here? I'm just gonna take it all the way back. Does that make sense? Y'all will just see. Just follow along. Please just follow along. I don't know how to explain it. And now I'm just going to follow this part down the nape of my neck. Okay, so there we have it. I'm going to do this part off camera because I don't want to confuse you guys. Just part your hair up as best as you can, and then we can get into the braiding aspect. Be right back. I know I look a little crazy, guys, but I have my hair roughly parted into sections. Each section is where I would want my part to be. So one section down. I did 8 rows across. So guys, so real quick, I just dampened my hair, and if your hair texture is similar to mine, I would definitely recommend doing this style on damp hair. I'm about to listen to some music, get the jams going, get into a vibe. Okay. So here's my process. From beginning to end, I am just dampening my hair a little bit, right? Okay, I'm gonna brush it through. So now my hair is damp. I'm going to start my braid. And then at some point I am going to start pulling strands from my braid. Just like this. And pulling it out. Then I'm going to continue doing the same thing all the way down. Braiding, braiding, braiding. Braiding, braiding, braiding. And pull a strand into my mouth. braid until you can't really braid anymore. Or if your hair is really curly, you can kind of stop wherever you want to get more curl at the bottom. Then I just go ahead and take some of my mousse, hit those strands, hit those ends. Something like this. Right. Okay. Let's do one more. I'll do this one here in the front with y'all. So I just spritz it a little bit. Right. Brush it through. Now I'm going to braid it up. Right. Now I'm going to start taking some pieces. Pin it in my mouth and continue braiding. And do it again. Now I'm just going to take my mousse and hit these sections, the ends, and the boho pieces. I am going to shingle them a little bit just to help my curls out some. Pivot your boho braid. So I'm gonna do this to my whole head and I'll check back in with you guys. Be right back. Here's the end result. I think that is super cute. It took about 3.5 hours, and maybe 3. It took about 3 hours, give or take. I think that is adorable. I found that it was easier for me to just go ahead and dampen my hair and then start braiding versus braiding it on dry hair. My hair gets a little bit tangled like that, so I did it on damp hair and this is how it came out. Next time I'll definitely for sure get my mom to do my parts, because the parts in the front are straight and good, but them parts in the back, sis, them things is crooked, okay? But I don't mind. I love this style. I think that it's very versatile. You can put these two pieces down, then pull these up, you know. Style it however you want, girl. Use your creativity and go ahead and do that thing. I love them. I think they're very simple, a cute summer hairstyle that you can go ahead and rock. Nice protective hairstyle too at that, so you don't have to worry about your hair, because if it's one thing, it's me worrying about my hair, y'all. My hair be in a bun all the time, so I'm excited to be doing different hairstyles and trying them out with you all. If you like this sort of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family so you don't ever miss an upload. I'm just here to share my creativity with you all. Who knows where this channel will take us? Who knows what I'll record? But you will be the first to know if you subscribe, so make sure you do so. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you